Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be making an Amish cough syrup that my grandma and her ancestors would have used. Let's get started. Start by thinly slicing some onions and then add them to a pot. We're going to fill up our pot with enough honey to cover our onions. Make sure your pot or kettle that you are using is stainless steel and not aluminum. We want to continue to let the onions and honey simmer for about 45 minutes to an hour. If you like more videos like this, be sure to like, subscribe, and follow.